dial the night like a number I know. The city answers with a dial tone of snow. Your sweater lives on my chair like a ghost. I set 2 plates, then wash one of them slow. How does the quiet always learn your name? Every echo brings back what I can't explain. There's rain on the phone, falling through static. Memories calling, soft and automatic. I press it to my ear and swear I hear home. But it's only the weather, only the dial tone. If love is a house, I sleep on the floor. Door's still unlocked, but you don't live here anymore. Your postcards fade on a sunburned wall. The ink has drifted like tides after fall. I keep the light on in case you return, but matches go out and the photographs burn. How do I keep talking to yesterday when every word I choose just walks away? There's rain on the phone, falling through static. Memories calling, soft and automatic. I mouth all your letters alone in this room. It's only the thunder rehearsing your tune. If love is a bridge, I'm stuck in the storm. You took the sunrise, left me the before. Maybe somewhere you're dry and warm. Maybe someone is your quiet in the storm. I let the message play out to the end. You save it as if I could save us again. There's rain on the phone, I leave it to ring. Let every teardrop translate what it means. I'll carry your echo like keys with no door. Learning to miss you a little bit more. If love is a tide, I'll float till I'm sore, waving to shadows that don't wave anymore.